The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro for AT&T. So this is a new phone for AT&T postpaid. This is a rugged smartphone, so if you guys want a rugged phone from AT&T, the Galaxy XCover Pro could be for you to check out. So it's available now in black. You'll have 64 gigabytes of storage, which is $17 a month, or it's $509.99 for retail price. So yeah, so it's $17 a month, or $509.99 for retail price. Alright. So let's go ahead and check out this Galaxy XCover Pro here. So there's the phone there. You guys have front-facing camera, volume, keys here. I'm not sure what this button is. Power button? No. We'll find out. So there's the phone again. There's the back of the Galaxy XCover Pro. You guys have dual cameras coming from the Samsung logo, and it looks like it has like a texture pack to it, so pretty nice. That's probably is your power button right up here, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. And the back might come off. Maybe, I don't know. This might be a power button on the left, or this might be a convenience key or something. I think that's it for the pictures. Okay. Since be ready for anything with the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. This rugged 4G LTE smartphone can seamlessly move from the worksite to the campsite, just like the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro makes no excuses and gets the job done. So yeah, this one has 4G. There's no 5G on this one here. So yeah. There's the phone right there. Okay, your power button on the right side of the phone. I thought it was on the left side, but the left side of the phone has like a convenience key or something like that. So it's nice that your power button's on the right side, and I'm guessing that's where your fingerprint sensor is the power button. So yeah. So there's the front of the day with your whole front facing camera. Back of the phone, you got some dual cameras, camera flash, Samsung logo. Left side of the phone is your convenience key, I guess, or whatever, and right side of the phone, volume keys, and power button, right? So, yeah. Features and specs. Key features are military grade. Design. This is a rugged smartphone, just a water resistant 6.3-inch display, thin and light design, right? So that's pretty nice. So if you guys want a rugged phone, check out this one here. It definitely does look very nice. It's rugged and pretty nice, you know. So your dimensions on the Galaxy XCover Pro are 6.3 user inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. And the frame weight is 7.68 ounces, so not too bad. It's like the front is a bit hefty because, you know, but it's not too bad. Your display is a 6.3-inch display Full HD plus display that's 2340 by 1080 pixels. You do have a dual rear-facing camera in the back at 25 megapixels and 8 megapixel. With dual LED flash on the 8 megapixel camera on the back is an ultra wide camera lens. Video capture 1080p at 30 frames. Video playback 1080p. Front facing camera is 13 megapixels. Battery is 4050 milliamps, which is removable, so you can remove the battery and replace it. That's really nice. If you guys want to stock up on batteries for this one, you can do that because the battery is removable, so that's really nice. So that's a rarity nowadays. So that's pretty cool that you guys can have spare batteries and put them in the phone and stay charged up. So pretty nice. Talk time 14 hours, standby time 15 days, audio playback 90 hours on speaker, and 90 hours on headset. Fast charging capable, which is nice. It takes 44 minutes to charge to 50%, and it takes 88 minutes to charge to 100%, so not too bad. Your chipset for the XCover Pro is the Exynos 9611 octa-core gigahertz octa-core processor. You have 64 gigabytes of storage, micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So not too terribly bad there. This is a decent mid-range phone, and this is not a flagship phone. It's not a flagship, so don't treat it like one. You do have Android 10 on board, which is nice. I'm sure that you'll have the One UI on there. You do have 4G LTE, 4G, 3G, GSM. It's a old phone, which is a quad band, HD voice compatible, Wi-Fi calling and video. You have AT&T video call capable, number sync capable. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11 APG-N, ACR, and K. Dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, 10 devices, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Wireless emergency alerts. Takes a nano SIM card. And what you guys get as from AT&T wise is not much as from AT&T, which is surprising. You guys get device help by AT&T, setup and transfer, and that's pretty much it from AT&T. And what you guys get from Samsung themselves is Bixby Routine, Bixby Vision, Bixby Voice, Frontline Mobile, Galaxy Store, Galaxy Wearable, Game Booster, Game Launcher, Global Goals, Internet, Office Mobile, OneDrive, Outlook, Samsung Cloud, Samsung Daily, which is Bixby Home, Samsung Health, Samsung Keyboard, Samsung Knox, Samsung Member, Samsung Pass, Secure Folder, Smart Switch, Smart Things. And you guys also get access to my AT&T, which provides fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. Web browsers like Google Chrome or Samsung browser pre-installed. Sensors are accelerometer, barometer, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity. Text messages there. You do get RCS messaging on here as well, so that's pretty cool. You get YouTube music. That's your default music player. Device, eco rating, and stuff like that. You guys care about this stuff here, so pretty cool. And what comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, quick charger, the charging brick, the quick charge brick, Type-C cable, stereo headset with mic, and quick start guide. So pretty cool there. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a rugged smartphone, the Galaxy XCover Pro could be for you to check out. It's available now for $17 a month, where it's $509.99 for retail price. This one is very nice. It does have pretty good specs for what it is. So if you guys want a rugged phone for work, if you guys do construction, if you guys do construction, you guys need a rugged phone to protect your phone or stuff like that. This one is water and dust resistant as well. It has rugged features with it, so pretty nice right there. Phone does look very nice. And I'm not sure what this is up here. I don't know. It's just like a button or something up here. I don't know what this is up here. I don't know, but the phone does look very nice in my opinion. It doesn't look terrible. It looks rugged, obviously. Yeah, like I said, if you guys want a rugged phone, the Galaxy XCover Pro could be worth checking out. So it's available now for $17 a month or $509.99. It's available now at AT&T. Also, if you guys need a regular phone for work or whatever, this phone could be for you to check out. It does have pretty good specs on it. You know, this is like a mid-range smartphone, so not too bad there. So yeah, do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro now available at AT&T? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you guys have left me a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.